In this lesson, we're going to learn what the parallel postulate is. So the parallel postulate can be very, very confusing when I first read the formal definition. I'm not even going to write the formal definition here because it's very confusing, but I can tell you what it actually says. It says that if there is a line and a point not on the line, then there's exactly one line through the point parallel to the given line. So simplest way to explain this is to just show you a picture. So let's say we have a line, and essentially what the parallel postulate is really saying is that if you have this line here and you draw a point anywhere, let's say we draw a point here, or let's say we draw a point here, then there's exactly only one line that is parallel to this first line. So you can draw multiple lines, you could draw all these lines, but there's only going to be one line that is parallel to that other line. So there's only going to be one line here. Let me try to draw it better. So okay, so this is not perfect, but I think you get the idea. So there's exactly only one line that is parallel. So if you draw a point anywhere else, there's only going to be one line that is parallel to that first line. So here we could do the same thing. Now just imagine these are parallel lines. My thing here is not okay. Yeah, that's good. So this line you can see is parallel. So there's only one line. You could draw multiple lines through, and only one, right? Only one line will be parallel to that first line. So that's what the parallel postulate is. There are very confusing definitions like the one I just mentioned, saying that if there's a line and a point not on the line, then there's exactly one line through the point parallel to the given line. So in my lessons when I teach, I try to make things very simple. I don't want to give you confusing definitions. So just remember that if you draw one line and then you draw a point anywhere else, there's only one line that can go through that point that is parallel to that first line. So that's exactly what the parallel postulate is. So if this was helpful and clear for you and you finally understand what the parallel postulate is, please like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment and share with your friends.